Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can configure or enable filter keys on Windows 11. So here, the first step, you can click start icon and go to the settings. And here you can try to click accessibility and find the keyboard option, sticky, filter, and toggle keys on screen keyboard. Here on the first option there is a sticky, filter, and toggle keys. The second option is filter keys. Set the sensitivity on the keyboard so it can ignore brief or repeated key strokes. So you can turn this on if you feel you need it. So you can break down, like press and hold the right shift key for 8 seconds. Again, hold the right shift key for 8 seconds to turn on filter keys. You can try to turn this on first. Turn on, and let's hold shift for 8 seconds. And show the filter key icons on the taskbar like this, and beep when the keys are pressed or accepted. You can turn this off. Ignore keystroke, slow key, ignore unintended bounce key, or ignore repeat keys. You can configure, try one by one based on your preferences. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click this button below. See you in the next video.